In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple emojis to Slack. This is a handy way to personalize your workspace and enhance communication with fun and expressive visuals. Let's get started on this emoji adding journey. First, you'll need to head over to Slack. Open your web browser and navigate to your Slack workspace. Ensure you're signed in with the correct credentials or your desired account. Once you're in, it's time to link your Google account, so click on Google. This step is crucial because it helps in synchronizing your accounts, ensuring uninterrupted access to all features. Now click on your account to continue with the integration. If prompted, you'll want to grant the necessary permissions for Slack to communicate with Google. Once confirmed, simply click on Continue to proceed. This ensures everything runs smoothly in future interactions with Slack and its integrations. Next, you'll end up on the entry page. Click on Use Slack in your browser. This is particularly useful if you want to keep things light and avoid downloading the desktop version. Working through the browser is pretty seamless and a popular choice for many users. Now that you're in your workspace, go ahead and select a channel or a direct message where you want to add those delightful emojis. This is where you can express yourself and engage with your team in a more dynamic way. Within your selected channel or direct message, locate and click the emoji button, usually found in the message input area. This will bring up the emoji panel, giving you access to all sorts of expressive icons. At this point, you might spot your usual favorites, but let's focus on enriching this collection. Let's click on Add Emoji. This exciting feature allows you to personalize your workspace with custom emojis. Once clicked, you'll see an option for emoji packs. Selecting this option lets you explore themed collections of emojis, handpicked for specific occasions or sentiments. Browse through the available emoji packs and select the one that tickles your fancy. Each pack is a bundle of fun, featuring unique sets of emojis you can use to infuse more personality into your Slack conversations. After choosing a pack, you'll see a preview of its contents. If it looks perfect for your needs, go ahead and click on Add Pack to install it. Soon, you'll find your new emojis added to your workspace. They're now at your disposal whenever you want to put a fun twist on your messages or respond in style. Remember, emojis are not just for fun, they also create a more engaging and inclusive environment, facilitating improved communication among teams. And that's it. Congratulations on broadening your emoji repertoire in Slack. Now you can enjoy a richer, more expressive way of communicating within your workspace.